So we did up to for. Okay, now let us say about continue, break, and switch case. So what is the use of continue statement? If we want to stop the current iteration and continue with the next iteration, I'm doing some iterations. I want to stop the current iteration. I would like to continue with the next iteration. Then continue statement you are going to use. If I want to come out of the loop, no more iterations I want to have, then break statement we are going to use. Let me do an example for it. The project. So continue statement is used to skip the current iteration. I'll write it. Used to skip the current iteration and continue with the next iteration. Whereas the break is used to terminate a loop. That is what is the use of break statement. So opening the project. Yeah. Taking a new class file. Calling it as using continue. I'm going to say for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 20, I plus plus. Printing the value of I. What this program is going to do? It will print 1 to 20.
Yes.
I don't want to print all 1 to 20 numbers. My requirement is I want to get only even numbers between 1 to 20. How you can say whether a number is even or odd?
Divide by 2.
This is
Divided by 2, then it is
two.
an even number.
Yes, if the number is divisible by 2, you can call it as even number. Otherwise, you can call it as odd number. So I'm checking here. If I mod 2 is not equal to 0, means what? If it is an odd number, then we are going to say continue. See there. First, I value 1. What is 1 mod 2?
Odd number.
1 mod 2 is 1. Is 1 not equal to 0? Yes, right?
Yes.
1 is not equal to 0. Condition is true. Means continue. Means what? This will be skipped and continue with the next iteration. The condition is failed, so it will be skipped and continue with the next iteration. Next, I value 2. 2 mod 2 is how much? See there? I'm going to run this one first of all and see what is the output you will get. You will get only even numbers. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 you are getting. How it is happening? First, I value is 1. 1 mod 2 not equal to 0. Condition is true. So continue. Means skip the iteration. Continue with the next iteration. I becomes 2. 2 mod 2 is 0. 0 not equal to 0 is failed. So comes to here. 2 is printed. Next, I value 3. 3 mod 2 is 1. 1 not equal to 0. Continue. Means skip this iteration. So even number printing code, odd number continue code will execute. So ultimately it is going to display only the even numbers between 1 to 20. This is the way how the continue statement can be used. Understand?
Can we write like I bar 2 equals to 0, then system.out.println inside the parentheses, and then we can stick continue later. Can we give a condition like that?
No.
I bar 2 equals to 0, then inside system.println.
Okay, you want to write I mod 2 equal to 0, then you want to print it.
Yeah.
Otherwise, continue. Yeah, you can get a solution in different ways. Whatever is easiest way to you, you can able to follow that. A problem can be solved in different ways. Yeah. So even see, for example, I can write like this: for int I equal to 2, I less than or equal to 20, I plus equal to 2. Printing I value. What it will print? Again, same thing it is going to print. So you can have different ways to do the same problem. Okay. So here the point to remember is how the continue is going to work. That's what you have to understand. So continue is used to skip the current iteration, continue with the next iteration. That's what is the use of continue.
Okay.
Yeah. Next we have something called break statement. So what is the use of break statement? Break statement is used to terminate the loop. No more iterations. You can simply come out of the loop. That is what is the use of break statement. Let's see how to make use of that. A new class file I'm going to say. Using break I'm going to say. Attaching the main method. I'll take our dual program once again. I'm running this. Wrong username, wrong password I'm giving. Once again, it is asking the username password. Once again, it is asking username password. How many times it will ask me that username password? How many times it will ask the username password?
Till you give the correct username and password.
Till
Until
we
we give
provide
the correct one.
until we give
Password
the
and username.
until we give the correct username password, it will keep on ask us. Generally, if you take any banking system, net banking, something like that, will it keep on ask you like this?
No, like there will be a limit.
Yeah, only 3 times it will ask you. How to implement that? Let us see. Only 3 times I should provide invalid credentials. After that, my account has to be blocked. Means I should not allow to continue there. Let's see how to do that. One count variable I'm taking as 0. Then I'm checking if that count is greater than or count is 3. Then I'm giving a message to the user. Your 3 choices are over. Exiting the application is the message I'm giving. Break. Whereas if the count is greater than 0, then you will print invalid login details. Try again is the message I'm giving to the user. And after one iteration is over, I want to increase the count. Count is count plus 1. Okay, let me try to run this. First of all, let me execute, and after that I'll explain step by step. Wrong username, wrong password I'm giving. Your first attempt is invalid, try again. Once again I'm giving wrong credentials. Your second attempt is also invalid, try again. Third time also I'm giving
So
wrong
we
username,
cannot
wrong
see
password.
your console.
Yes, sir. Loading little, like showing little late.
Okay. I think I have some slow network connectivity. That might be the reason.
Okay.
See, first time I given some username password. It is saying invalid, try again. Second time also I given some invalid username password. Again it is saying try again. Third time also I given invalid credentials. Now it is showing an error message saying that your 3 choices are over, exiting the application. No more iterations it is going to ask us. It is stopping. This is the way how to work with the break statement. Observe what is going to happen here. Only this program is delayed, or previous things also getting in it?
Yeah. Yep. Like you typed continue and break, right? So on that one, what's
Okay.
happened like that?
Little bit delay was there.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, I took 2 variables, user ID, password. Then I'm taking one integer variable called count as 0. Can you do one thing? Can you please rejoin again? Might be the connectivity issue once. Sorry for the inconvenience. I'm just closing the session. I will rejoin again. Please rejoin again. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, sir.